Hi. Okay, I am going to kill, or at least get all of you. First of all, you all need to give a big shout out and what's up to Michael, because Michael is the only person that brought this to my attention, that the instructions that you all were downloading from the first week of class for the STEM presentations were incorrect. Now, I'll fault myself first and foremost. But I'm still going to call y'all out. It's only because I'm reading a note from Michael after I just got back from vacation today. Lack thereof a vacation. And Mike says, okay, I'm confused about the instructions. I said, well, Mike, you could do a PowerPoint or a paper or a video. And Mike is like, what? So, I go back to week 1.A, check the seek and do the downloads, and then I click on it myself. Lo and behold, I selected when I put down the download the wrong STEM presentation. I gave y'all something that I had given y'all a couple of weeks ago as opposed to the actual instructions, the 5 pages that I'm going to read to you all. So I'm just calling you all out for not catching that quicker. Now, don't stress, don't fret. You can either do a PowerPoint or you can do a paper, 5 pages, or you can do a video like less than 5 or 10 minutes or something. The instructions are all there. Matter of fact, we're going to go over the instructions in a minute. So let me go and look at your view so that you all won't be totally thrown off and see what's coming up soon. Okay, so if you go down to, okay. If you go down to week 1A, where it says seek downloads. You click on this week 1A seek downloads, which is what you all did before, and where it says 10 minute STEM virtual poster board, download review. So when you used to click here, you got what I didn't want you to have. You should get some kind of download, either if you're on Mac or PC, and you can open up the file. And then, boom, you'll get these instructions. Now, you all owe Mike a big kudos. And what I want to see you all do is to go on Mike's email and send her a personal thank you. Mike, thank you. From myself, I'm giving you a video because this is an example of a video presentation. Like, I'm giving you a big shout out, heads up for catching my mistake. And I'll see if I can find some extra points in there for you just to mess with everybody else. Nevertheless, let me go through these STEM presentations. It says, locate an article, which you've already did. You did that during week 1. And you selected from the various articles. It gives you pretty much what the objectives are for the entire PowerPoint presentation. Disregard this is weeks 13 and 14. For you all, it's weeks 9 and 10. We did that part. 10-minute details. It says part 1, locate an article or resource. We've done most of that already. Then it says, I want you to answer these particular questions. You don't have to be limited to, but at least shoot for your presentations in here. So again, I apologize because I'm sure y'all like, how am I going to do a presentation? Here are the instructions right here. And I'm still going to get you all. I'm going to also email this as an attachment to you too. This is the minimum what I want to see in the paper. You can still answer some of the basic things that you would do in your presentation or paper, whatever the case would be. And then it says create a presentation, paper, or video. Bam! If it's short, 1 to 2 page written report, 4 to 6 slide presentation. Actually, you should probably do more than that at this rate. This is kind of old. It's more people have done more like 15 to 20. Because I've been told when I tried to do 4 to 6, it was just not enough. So therefore, you're more so between 15 to 20, 25 slides, give or take. But don't overdo it. Or you can do a 5 to 8 minute video presentation. You can use YouTube or whatever else you have, as long as you can provide your colleagues a URL link like I do. And, same old, make sure it's well spoken or well written, college level. Then it says post and facilitate the discussion for the entire 2 weeks. So for weeks 9 and 10, you'll have to, you're going to be responsible for going to other people's presentations, reviewing them, and asking them questions and giving them feedback. And they're going to have a chance to do dialogue with you, just like what we normally do. But because this is all we're going to be doing primarily for like a week and a half, this is what everyone's responsible for. Part 2 says then, after you do reading, you have to respond. It says a minimum of 3. I'll probably say more so like 3 to 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. Probably a good portion of your classmates. Because these are some older instructions. Reminds me I should probably update them later on this summer. But for you all, once you get the actual detailed instructions on this next week, then you can follow through. But for the most part, this is what you're looking to do. Okay? And To top it all off, again, incorrect dates. I got some updated dates. I just want to give you all an old resource. Here's some additional websites on those topics that I initially selected those topics from. So if you want to get more details, if you haven't already done so thus far. So anyway, I apologize. Mike, this one's for you. Kudos, heads up, and all that good stuff. So I'll look forward to seeing your video presentations or your short 3 to 5 page paper, or if you want, of course, your PowerPoint, 15 to 20 slides. Hope that helps. And I'll email this out to everyone again. My apologies. One more time. Mike, you're the bomb. Thank you. Woohoo. Okay, I'm going back. I'm just tired from being on a 5-hour delay plane from Miami. I'm going to bed now. Talk to you guys later. Peace.